Morning, everyone. So for today's academic session, the topic is ZoomInfo. So basically, ZoomInfo is a kind of application which is used for majorly for lead generation. Okay. It's a kind of business intelligence and data software which is used by most of the companies across different domains. It provides detailed information about business and professionals. Like how do we shop for clothes? We use Mintra. So if you want to get any kind of information for, about any kind of professional, may it be bottom level or the top level, you can get their phone numbers, email IDs, and the positions in their respective companies. So the key feature includes like lead generation, sales intelligence, and market analysis. All three of this can be done with the use of ZoomInfo. So the key feature for it is it has a comprehensive database. They have access to different kind of profiles, may it be CEO, CTO, or the managerial level or shop floor level. They have database of people in different countries, in different continents. So irrespective of in which domain or which country you want data, you can get it from ZoomInfo. Advanced search filters are there, like you can put your criteria there and then you can get information. Sales intelligence gives insights into decision making and organizational structure. When you're getting all this data from ZoomInfo, you can analyze all this data on the basis of the information that you have obtained. Market analysis can be done, like you can understand how the markets are trending, what the competitors are doing, which kind of profiles the competitor are selecting right now, at which level, and what kind of strategy they are forming. Lead generation, it is a major thing that people are using ZoomInfo for these days. So what to do is we can identify potential customer with accurate data, use contact information to reach out to the decision maker, improve targeting with detailed company insight. Like I can give an example. If I am working for a company who is into a metal industry, like making machineries which are majorly used by MNCs. Okay. So I'll target people who will buy this kind of machinery. So who will be the people? They will be the purchase department. Okay, so like that, you can put different positions like person from purchase department of so and so city, so and so place, and so and so company. So like this, you can put information in the lead generation brackets and get the information of that person. And that is how you can find out that who is that particular person who will be a decision maker, or what kind of customers you'll be requiring. You need that kind of customer to sell your product. Okay, so all kind of information and the lead generation can be done through this ZoomInfo application. When we talk about sales intelligence, you can gain insights into company hierarchy, like who is there at what position. Sometimes we don't get some kind of information from LinkedIn, that we can get it from say this ZoomInfo application. It is a free application. Okay, you get 25 credentials per month. But if your company, like for which you are working, if they are allowing or they are getting some kind of subscription, you can go for more amount of credentials with a subscription. But free subscription gives you 25 credentials, which is good enough. Usually within that 25 credentials also, you will get enough amount of information. You usually don't need to go for a subscription. Use data to personalize sales pitches. The type of level which you are targeting, you can understand that what kind of people you will be dealing with. So accordingly, you can say change your sales pitch. Next is market analysis. You can analyze the market trends with different kind of data sets. Benchmark against competitors can be done and identify new market opportunities. When we get data from the ZoomInfo, we can analyze the data and we can start pitching according to the what kind of competitors you are going to deal with, or what kind of opportunities which is coming up in the market. You can understand all these things in market analysis. Integration with CRM, like majorly the companies these days, they are using Salesforce. Okay, it's a kind of sales CRM system where we'll be putting a different customers detail, like If you're calling them, then what kind of call it was a cold call, or how is the type of lead, then you have to put all this information in Salesforce. So we can collaborate Salesforce with info, and by which it makes our life very easy. Like you can extract the data from there and put it in the sales CRM. So you can automate the data entry and updates in it, improve data accuracy and consistency. So may it be Salesforce or may it be any other kind of CRM softwares, you can try to sync it with ZoomInfo so that your day-to-day life becomes very easy, and extraction of the data can be saved easily. Okay, sometimes what happens is we extract data from ZoomInfo, but they don't have facility to save the data, huge amount of data. One or two leads is fine, but if you are saving more amount of data, then it becomes a hassle. So if you are collaborating it with or merging it with some CRM software, our life becomes very easy. So always when you are using, say, ZoomInfo, try to merge it with some other CRM software. Benefits of using ZoomInfo is you can save your time. The accuracy is very much good. The productivity is increased and revenue growth is also good, because if we are searching randomly any person on LinkedIn or something, it becomes very difficult. You cannot find it very easily. But when you are using ZoomInfo, the number one thing is the accuracy of data is very good. So, and you can get direct context, and apart from it, it is quite reliable also. And by using this information, the efficiency increases. If you are putting 4 to 6 hours for a lead generation through LinkedIn or some other application, you require only 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours maximum. And as and when you will be using this, you'll get a grip over this application, because it's very easy to use. So what will happen is the efficiency increases and the amount of time consumed in each and every task will be reduced. When you are logging in ZoomInfo, the first and foremost thing that everyone needs to take care of is it will not accept any of the credentials like email IDs, which will be having extension @gmail.com, yahoo.com, or any random email IDs. You need a company's extension. If I'm working for Upper Crust, it writes @uppercrust.com. If I'm working for Gemini, it will be @gemini.com. So the company's domain extension will be accepted. Otherwise, normal email IDs do not work for ZoomInfo. This will be the main screen when you are logging in ZoomInfo. Now, here there is a taskbar, okay? In search bar, in this search bar, you need to put whatever information you want. If you know the person's name, you can directly put the person's name. If you know the company's name, you need to put it there and search it out, that whatever information you want. There is an advanced search information, option here. So when you are clicking the advanced search, there are number of different options. Okay, there is contact name and email, current role, contact information, accuracy rate, okay, and different types of tags. Now suppose we are searching information for a person who is working in TCS and in a purchase department. So what we need to do is we need to select the company name, put TCS here, and current role is purchase manager or purchase head. So when you will put this, they will give each and every person's email ID and contact information like phone numbers, direct phone numbers, so that you can contact them and generate a lead. Okay. So this is how, like here, there is an example that I did was Chief Information Security Officer. If I want to search by job title, you can put a job title also. Then there are number of options. If you don't know the job title, you just click here. They will give you different options, that what you are looking for or what you are searching for. Okay, like Information Security Manager, Director of Cyber Security, Head of Information Security, or Interim CSCO. Same way, if you are searching for different continents, so you can select the continent, you can select the country. In fact, you can select the city also. Like if you are selecting, if you want information for a company who is based in Mumbai, you can go to India, Maharashtra, Mumbai, and specifically in Mumbai also there are suburbans. You can put the suburbans name also, so that you get an accurate data for that. Okay, so I'll so here you can see, like when I filtered all this data, On the right hand side, I can get information. This is a person's contact name, job title, company's name, and further there will be email IDs and phone numbers. So when you will click it, you will get email IDs and phone numbers of each and every person. Okay, that's how you do lead generation. Basically, this is used by all the business development officers, sales officers across different domains for generating leads. Yeah, that's it from my side.